Sahil Joshi is now with us. Now, Sahil, that if you want to elaborate on that last point that you actually made, the concluding remarks that you actually made after interviewing Nitin Gadkari, is that really the RSS view? That it does not matter who becomes the Prime Minister? Then what about Mr. Narendra Modi?
That's pretty surprising because the whole campaign of BJP was roaming around only one person, that is Narendra Modi. Even today's, even Nagpur's local newspapers advertisements are also carrying Narendra Modi's picture on the front page in the advertisement. But on the other hand, Nitin Gadkari clearly saying that it's not important that who becomes the Prime Minister, it's not important who becomes the Minister, it is important that there is a change. And kind of exact line we heard from Bhaiyaji Joshi, the RSS deputy, saying that they hope that there will be a change this time. It clearly looks like, we were talking about just a while back, I heard what the discussion in the studio, everyone was talking about the whole body language. It clearly looks like that this time the RSS chief, I mean, someone was telling me that last time when RSS chief came to vote, there was hardly any media person trying to take his reaction, but this time the whole polling station was flooded with reporters and everyone wanted to know what he thinks about the whole scenario. And RSS for the first time were looking upbeat. Bhaiyaji Joshi clearly said that they hope that there is a parivartan this time. And RSS cadre completely active in the campaign, not only in Nitin Gadkari's campaign, but even in the rest of the constituencies, especially if we could see in Maharashtra, we could see that RSS was active. But this particular line, that it's not important that who becomes Prime Minister, clearly says a lot. So it looks like that everyone is watching the situation. Lal Krishna Advani is also contesting, Nitin Gadkari is also contesting, Rajnath Singh is also contesting. So everyone is watching the situation, and maybe after 16th of May, things will be more clear. But at this point of time, both of their body languages, we could see that it was upbeat, and they were really hoping for the change.
Right, Sahil. Thanks for the update.